how to get their own breath. So the pineapples, this is how you roll from your belly onto your back. And the first thing you do is take a deep breath before you go in, because if it doesn't go well, you're gonna end up underwater on your back. And that's an uncomfortable position to be in. So you don't wanna be in that posture without air. So take a deep breath. The next step is I'm gonna pull this one arm towards me and then slap the water on the other side of my body. So I'm gonna take one arm and come over the water and roll onto my back using my arm. Now that I'm on my back, the first thing I need to remember to do is get my chin up. If water went up your nose, I let a little bit get in so I could demonstrate this. If water went up your nose, do not immediately sit up, okay? You will sink. So instead, get back. It's okay. Blow it out, okay? I took a super deep breath with my mouth and I blew out of my nose as hard as I can. It's okay if you let a little snot rocket come out. This pool is a giant Kleenex tissue. It'll get pushed into the gutter and washed away. So don't worry about that. Don't worry about germs and things like that. We use chlorine in pools for a reason. Yeah. Oh, nice. Chin up. Clear out any water that's in your nose or your mouth. Okay, time to dismount. Sit down. Good job. All right. Yeah, that one was pretty good. Yeah! There it is. Clear it out. Clear anything out that you need to. Now put your arms underwater. We need the right instincts. Good. Now sit down. When you get to your back, put your chin up.
Okay.
You're rolling to your back with your chin down. Get your chin up.
Okay.
Yeah, ideally it's getting there as you roll. Chin up. Beautiful. Nice.
I did something wrong.
That's okay. Yeah, that's all right. Still, you stuck to the arms though. You did it. You got that dismount. You got the roll naturally, all by yourself. Good work. Ready? Flow. Good. I want to hear you breathe so I know you're not drowning. Arms down. Head back. Good. It's okay to linger in this position. Now let's dismount. Hips down. Use your arms to pull forward. Pull your hips forward. You don't want to turn your palms that way.
Oh, that way.
You always yeah. Because that's where you want to be. So now I'm going to teach them to start moving a little bit. Once they roll to their back, they need to keep moving a little bit. We start in 4 quadrants. We always start in the most balanced position that we can. But once you roll to your back, your arms will be by your side. If you want to paddle with them, that's fine, because I've already taught you now how to paddle and kick. So you can paddle and kick. 3, 2, 1. Roll. 3, 2, 1. Dismount. Stand up. Good. Tilt the chin forward. Yeah, because you're shifting your weight.
Okay.
Yeah?
All right.
Yep, you're good.
Okay.
So sometimes with the dismount, Patrice, and camera, you need to hear this too. Audience out there, listen. Sometimes when we're practicing the dismount, you get comfortable with it and then you lose it. Mm-hmm. And you're like, what am I doing wrong now? I lost it. What's happening is you started shifting just one side of your body's weight. Think of your body as having 2 sides, your lower half and your upper half. When you're dismounting, 2 halves. Right now, my lower half is this way, my upper half is that way. I need them to switch. And it's not enough just to bring my lower half back. I also have to bring my upper half forward. Okay, you're switching both. You're shifting your balance from being like this to now like that. Okay? It's a shift of balance. Yep, roll. Back, kick. Arms under. Breathe. Good. And stick down. Shift forwards. Good job. Nailed it. Roll. Chin up. Good. Dismount. Forward. Yes! You did it. Nice. Better dismount too. Good job. Time to roll back. Now, we're gonna start on our back. We're not gonna start on our belly, roll to your back, and roll back to your belly. We're gonna start on our back. Thankfully, this is the easier roll. You're gonna love this roll. This one's easy. So, when you need to roll back onto your belly in order to keep swimming, you take one arm, you go across your body and behind your head. You're gonna go across your body and behind your head. Once you get onto your belly, just stick both arms back out in front, and for now, dismount right away. Okay? Later, you want to start kicking once you get to your belly. But for now, you're going to roll back to your belly and then dismount right away. It'll look like this. I'll do it towards you, the camera, so you can see what my arms are doing.
One more time.
Yep. Towards you. Okay. Roll. Superhero. This is what I call a superhero posture pose. Okay. Roll. Superhero, which is the 4-quadrant balanced body position. I call it superhero. And then dismount. Okay. Roll. Superhero. Dismount. Okay. Now, before we go, the other thing is take a deep breath. Arms under. So then, which arm do you want to roll with? This one or that way? You want to roll this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So this arm, and I'm not going to let you roll, but this arm will go above and be behind your body, okay? Okay. Take a deep breath. Go. And stand up. Good. Yeah. That's it. That's a much easier roll, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, which arm do you want to go with? This one or that one?
This one.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And stand up.
I didn't do forward enough.
He's better at the belly. Your belly at the back.
Take this breath and we roll. And dismount. Good. All right. Nice job. If you found this video helpful, make sure you splash that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel for free, become a member today. We're going to be increasing the price of the membership soon. Also, go ahead and follow us on the other social medias that are like Instagram and TikTok and all the other ones. Buy some merch. We are keeping one color each year. But every 4 years, as you just saw, we did our red color version. So if you missed that, sorry, you're gonna have to wait till the LA Olympics in 2028. With that said, thanks for watching. I'm Jonny Rocket, and let's get swimming.